I created this video to help BMW owners solve some problems of their car. We present you a new video. BMW RECALL. How you can fix some car problems for free in BMW Partner Services. What is a BMW recall? Over time, some repetitive defects have been observed in some cars manufactured by BMW due to production quality of some components, dimensional or physical design mistakes, assembly mistakes regarding tightening errors, the screws and washers used, the action of weather conditions on certain components, software problems for some control units. Which cars are included in the BMW recall? All cars produced by BMW, regardless of the year of manufacture, type, model, series, or if you are the first or 10th owner. Here are some recall actions I found. N47 engine replacement for E90 E91 year 2008 to 2009. Replacement of steering box F30 or electric motor, fixing screws. Replacement of the main battery wire coupler on the E60. Replacement of the front propeller shaft X drive F10, F11, E70, E71. Replacement of different airbag modules for several series. EGR cooler replacement for N47, N57 engines. If necessary, the intake manifolds are also replaced. Problems with the braking system. How do you know if your car has an active recall? Search on Google vehiclerecall.bmwgroup.com. Enter the chassis number of your car. The first code 005-196-0500 refers to a problem with the luggage rail in the trunk. The other code 001-113-0700 refers to the EGR cooler for B47 engines. We are checking another chassis number. This one has a recall with the number 003-255-0300, a recall for safety. We are checking another chassis number. It has a recall with the number 003570300, a recall for the driver airbag. We are checking another chassis number. It has a recall number 003-262-0300. It is a software programming recall. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be back with more interesting videos soon. Do not miss other videos that may interest you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.